Welcome back to the Spiritfire, huh? Oh yeah, we haven't been here for a while. I miss it. I miss it a lot. Had some Spiritfires out at my mom's and stuff, but it's been a while since we had one in this fire pit. Hope everybody's doing good. Travis, hope you're healing up, buddy. Mac Evans. Becky Davis, hope things are going good. Calamity Girl, Andy. They're back on the build. That's awesome to see that. Such great spirit. I love it. I love it. Smitty, back in the shop. Loving that, buddy. Yeah. Pretty cool. Mac 131 and Tree Fella and Ground Gal hooking up. That's pretty cool. Look forward to seeing more of that, more on that deal. Pretty nice day today. No wind yet. Pretty much just blue sky. Nice green alfalfa field. Another beautiful day to be thankful for. Thanks everybody for participating in the shenanigans of John Hudson. We're still working on the mac and cheese with Charlie. Healed Heart, Kim Wilson getting out there. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. That old Echo looks pretty good with that lightweight bar on it. John Bob, Aaron Lynch. I'm telling you now, those guys are crazy. Those guys are crazy. There's just so many awesome people. So many awesome people. Hearts of gold. Yeah, pretty neat. Pretty great community. Casterman in that duplicator deal. Wow. There's a lot going on there. That's super neat though. Getting all those new bits and man, that's an undertaking right there. Gonna make some beautiful handles. Guitars and stuff, gosh. A lot of cool stuff going on. Bucking. That was a pretty good fallen show there. Him and Ganges. Speaking of Aaron Lynch, I'm telling you, the guy's crazy. Got a special package in the mail yesterday from Mr. Aaron Lynch. Guys are crazy. And I thought, well, what better time to open it than around a Spiritfire? Well, it'll make me work for it. I can't believe you guys. Gosh. It's like an onion. Layers. Oh man. Look at that beauty. Wow. Gosh. I don't even know what to say, you guys. You guys are just crazy. Man, you are on a mission, dude. Look at that. Man, that's a beauty. Gosh. Look. Gotta show this. That's his stamp right there. Can you see it? I don't know if my camera's good enough to see that. There it is. West Virginia to Washington. TazMan. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Man. We'll split a piece of wood with that. Let's just put it to work. Wow. Gosh, that's a dandy handle. Nice light burn on it. Swing's good. Oh man. That's a splitter. No doubt. Gosh, that's nice. Man. That's a dandy, Aaron. Wow. Thanks, man. I don't have a long-handled single, but I do now. Gosh, that's dandy. Yeah, that's a splitter for sure. My gosh, that's nice. Put a profile on that. See that? Oh yeah. Look at the work on that. Sorry, I'm fighting shadows. That's awesome. Gosh. Can't believe you guys. Unbelievable. You guys are just crazy. Aaron, this is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Gosh. You have to let me know what I need to use on the handle. If it's alright to use that Watco. That's what I got right now, and some boiled linseed oil. Gosh, I want to put Watco on it right now. Gosh, it's just beautiful, man. Gosh. Oh yeah, we'll be splitting some wood with that. I can't put a wrap on it. Can't be covering that up. West Virginia to Washington. Gosh, man. I can't thank you enough. You guys are crazy. Gosh. What a dandy. What a dandy. Cook Poke, I hope you're doing good, brother. Waiting on more videos of your saws. Gosh, that's a nice axe. That is good dandy. Longer handle. It's awesome. It feels good. Swings good. Splits good. Yeah, there's lots of cords left in that axe for sure. Long time. Wow. Well, thanks, man. I don't even know what to say. People are amazing. Totally amazing. All right, well, everybody's starting to do their yard work. So instead of listening to a mower, I guess I'll just cut it off and hope everybody has a great day and hope everybody's having a great weekend. Everybody stay safe out there. If you're traveling, stay safe. Yeah. What a great day. All right. Take care, everybody. Love you all. TazMan is rolling. Be kind.